Hey, praisers and savers, thank you so much for tuning in today. We're going to Publix, and today is June the 7th. I had to check my clock. June the 7th, we're going into Publix. I have 20 products that are all food-related products. I want to bring you guys very practical and frugal deals to feed your family. I love to go to CVS and Walmart and get all the different soaps and medicines for free or cheap. But we also need to be practical, and that is bringing you tons of great deals on some shelf-stable foods and just practical eating. So in this video, I have for you different types of fresh fruit, beverages, shelf-stable food, and even some meats. So if you are new to my channel, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell to all. I am doing a giveaway. I do have a $10 Chick-fil-A gift card that I am sending out. All you have to do to be entered in this giveaway is comment your favorite deal of the day or just make any kind of comment. Once I reach 25 comments on this video, I will do a raffle to send you that Chick-fil-A gift card. As always, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. You can either print it off or you can just pull it up on your phone and take it in the store with you. No need to write any of these things down. Also, if you are not part of IBOTTA, Shopkick, Swagbucks, or any of the other apps that we use to save money, there are links in the description box. You can click on those, use a referral code, you get a kickback, and I get a kickback as well. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started on some amazing Publix deals. So this butterhead lettuce is some of my favorite lettuce to eat. Goes great with salads and on sandwiches. So it's usually $3.99, and I just feel like it's fresher than a lot of the other lettuces that I buy. So these are buy one, get one free. So each head of lettuce is going to be just $2. Good deal on these, no coupons needed. There are a lot of great deals on beverages right now at Publix, and this alkaline purified water is really good. It's one of my favorites, and I know there are people in this in my following who like alkaline water. You've told me before to find you some deals, and so these are usually $3.99, but they're buy one get one free. So each jug is $2. So that's a 1 gallon jug of alkaline water for just $2. Another good deal on water. This is naturally alkaline spring water. This is Eternal, and these are usually $2.50, but these are going to be just $1.25 each. I like these better than I like the other alkaline 88 water. Really super good water. I feel like the Snapple tea is making a comeback. I know that this was really popular when I was a kid, but I've tried the Snapple peach tea, and then I also right now have the zero sugar Snapple peach tea at my house. Both are good. These are usually $7.99 for a 6-pack, but they'll be just $4 with the buy one get one free. If you haven't tried the Snapple tea in a long time, you should try it. I am a Southern woman, and I do like my sweet tea, and this is really good. So I'm hoping this works. I haven't gotten my IBOTTA rebate from Publix yet, but this is on the Special K real whole blueberries. These are usually $5.69 each. We're going to pick up 2 boxes. Each box will be $2.80 each. And then there's a high-valued rebate on IBOTTA for $4.98. Hopefully it applies. I don't know if it's going to or not. Hopefully it does. But if it does work, it's going to make each box of this cereal just 31 cents. Let me know in the comments if you get this and it works for you. But if it works for me, I'll let you guys know. You guys know I love some beef broth or chicken broth, whatever, to add to our meals in my home. And so this Progresso broth is going to be $2.79. It's buy one get one free, so it'll be just $1.40 per container of broth. So you know I'm going to stock up on this broth for our dinners at home. Yummy, yummy. These Tasty Cakes powdered donuts. I love the chocolate ones. A couple of my kids love the powdered ones. These are usually $2.49. They're buy one, get one free. So each pack of donuts will be just $1.25 each. We are a Southern family around here, and we eat Duke's mayonnaise. I know a lot of you like Hellmann's or Miracle Whip, but we eat Duke's. And so these are usually $6.99. They're buy one, get one free, so that makes them $3.50. There is a 25-cent IBOTTA rebate on these, so it's going to make each container $3.25. This is a limit of one, and it expires on Thursday, so this may be something you want to go ahead and get because mayonnaise is ridiculously expensive. I went to the Dollar General, I went to Walmart, and it's all pretty expensive. So really ridiculous on the cost of mayonnaise, but $3.25 on the Duke's mayonnaise. Okay, so good deal on the Sweet and Low sweetener. This is not something I'm picking up today, but the smaller box that you see there is $2.55. They're buy one, get one free, so each box will be $1.27. We do have a 50-cent coupon from the Publix app. After that 50-cent coupon from the Publix app, it will make these just 77 cents. Now, if you don't have the 50-cent coupon from the Publix app, we also have a 50-cent coupon on the coupons.com app. So just use either one of those if you want, making each box of Sweet and Low just 77 cents each. If the Easy Foil silver pans are on sale, then I am picking one of them up. I'm stocking up always for holidays, or if I just need to put something in the pans that I know will be helpful to be disposable. So, like, for example, we go to the pool a lot in our house, and I'll just throw a bunch of fruit in one of these because it has a top on it, and take it to the pool with us, and I know I can just throw this in the trash after I'm done or whatever it may be. So the smallest ones are $2.59, buy one, get one free. So it will make each one of these $1.27 for the pan, but you can get different sizes, whatever works for you, but I'm going to get those. These Nature's Own brioche buns are my favorite. If you have tried these, then let me know in the comments. They're so yummy. We have a lot of cookouts going on, and hot dogs, hamburgers, that sort of thing, and I always pick these up. Usually they're $4.49, so kind of pricey for some buns, but they're buy one, get one free right now. And so they'll be $2.25 each. We have a 20-cent IBOTTA rebate, and there's a limit of 5 on those, so if you need to stock up for a party, there you go. So each pack of buns will be $2.05 each for the buns. No one wants to think about back to school just when we get out of school and it's still June, but these are stock up price on the Lysol wipes, and you know you're going to need it because you need to take care of your kid's teacher coming in the fall. So these are usually $4.19. So if they're buy one, get one free, they'll be $2.10. I love the mango and hibiscus smell on these. We do have a 75-cent coupon from the Publix app. If you don't have the 75-cent coupon, there's also a 75-cent coupon on the Coupons app. So it's going to make each pack of Lysol wipes just $1.35. Go ahead and stock up. Your kids' teachers will appreciate it when your kids bring in packs of Lysol wipes. I'm a teacher, and I always appreciate a fresh pack of Lysol wipes because we will go through this entire pack within 1 week. So, I like to bring you practical items on my channel, and one of these is some extra large shrimp, frozen shrimp at Publix. I do like these. I'm particular about my shrimp and fish being frozen, but I do like these. So these are the extra large ones. They're usually $17.99. But each bag is going to be, because it's BOGO, each bag is going to be just $9. So if this is something that you want to get, then there it goes. These are the ones that already have the, that you have to peel into veins. So yeah, $9 on the shrimp. So the Bird's Eye veggies, I love to have these in the freezer. They're buy one, get one free, and there's various ones that they have. but the cheapest ones they have are $1.89. BOGO is going to make them just 90 cents. Of course, you can mix and match, but they are buy one, get one free. And this is just great to have in the freezer when you forget to buy sides at the store. Toaster strudels, I grew up on these. These are $3.44. And so because it's buy one, get one free, they'll be $1.72. I thought this was a good deal on toaster strudels. Buying them for $3.44 is a little pricey for me. I think, but $1.72 is a good deal. So Daisy cottage cheese is not something we buy in my house, but I thought this was a good deal at just 90 cents. These are usually $1.89 each. It has the fruit on the top, and because it's buy one, get one free, each cup will be 90 cents. So various Chobani yogurts are on sale this week, buy one, get one free, but we love the Chobani flips in our house. Some of them are different prices, but the cheapest Chobani is $5. Buy one, get one free is going to make them $2.50. Plus, we have a $1 coupon when you buy two. So that'll bring the total down to $4, and each one will be just $2. This Lacombe cold brew coffee is something my husband does like. I don't like cold coffee, but he does. And so these are kind of pricey. They're usually $5.99, but they're buy one, get one free. So each one is $3. And then we do have a 25-cent IBOTTA rebate for just one. So you can't get any more than that. So it's going to make these just $2.75 a pack. We have an amazing deal on this 8 o'clock coffee. It's just going to be $3 each. This is some high-priced coffee. Usually it's around like $9.20. It can be the K-Cups or the whole bean type deal going on. So they're buy one, get one free. So each bag will be about $4.50 according to what you buy, whether the K-Cups or the bag. And then we have this high-valued $1.50 coupon from the Coupons app. Also check your Publix app. There may be one on there, but I didn't see one. But on the Coupons app, you'll get $1.50 back buying this 8 o'clock coffee. So it's going to make each bag of coffee or the K-Cups just $3. So that's really good. You're saving $6 with the sale and the coupon. So just going to be $3 each. I wanted to mention this, the Airwick warmer. My store does not even carry these. I need to go to a different Publix to get them, but there is a total freebie coupon on the Publix app. When you spend $2.09, they'll be free. But I don't know the price of these because I don't have them in my store to photograph. Let me know if you do pick this up, and I'm going to try different Publix this week. So there's a huge sale going on right now on participating P&G products. This is going to be on your Tide, Bounty, Charmin, Gain, Bounce products, Downy fabric softener, those type of things. So what you will do is when you get to that $40 threshold before taxes, you will get $10 off your purchase. Plus, there are a ton of coupons on the Publix app. I have some that are duplicates. So I have some $3 off here. For the liquid detergent, $3 off for the pods, $1.50 off for the smaller ones. So you have a ton of those coupons. Plus, you can always go to the P&G website to print off coupons for these products. The only catch on these is the expiration date expires within 24 hours. So if you are going to print off the coupons, I suggest you do it right before you go to the store so you don't waste the coupons, because there's a lot of good Tide coupons out there. But I think this is a good deal on the Tide products, and so I'm going to be getting some more of these when I print some off. But yeah, $10 off when you spend $40, and I just recommend make sure you put your phone number in at the very end of your Publix transaction so everything comes off smoothly. All right, praisers and savers, that's all I have for you today. I really hope you appreciated me bringing you all of these amazing food couponing deals. This is definitely something we need in our house. Yes, I love to get free Tide and Gain and whatever it may be, shampoo, toothpaste, but it always feels good when I can get inexpensive food products for my family. So I brought you 20 food products actually in this video. If you appreciated that, please make sure you comment below. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.